Just a quick update on the LetPot LPH Max system. It's currently 25 days, and the results that you're seeing right now are the results of some bad seeds, and I'm getting ready to change over. So what I'm going to end up doing is removing all of the seed pods that you see planted with the humidity domes, putting additional covers, which are the white disc with the handles, and trying to grow one cucumber plant. One of the nice things about this particular system is that it auto feeds and also auto refills. The tube that you see here comes out of the back of the garden, and the garden has 3 pumps, one of which will actually pull water from a reservoir up into the system and will automatically kick off when it reaches the target level. Well, in a quick change of plans, I've moved over from the white to the black spacers because I like the look a little better. Coincidentally, I had the exact number of black spacers to cover the garden, while the white spacers I did not. I may try to dry out the grow sponges a little bit and replant those in a different project. I did have a small lettuce plant that did germinate, and that might be going into a crack key jar. And this is the cucumber plant that I'm going to introduce into the LetPot garden. It was started in an air garden sprout, and you could tell that the root system is looking clean and healthy. Let's see if we could thread that right down into the LetPot garden like that. We'll try to straighten the leaves out a little bit, and by pushing down on the top of the light hood, I'm going to try to bring the light down over the plant, which is around 7 3/4 inches above the deck, or approximately around 4 inches above the top of the cucumber plant. That is 36 true watts of LED grow power over the top of the cucumber. So in the testing of the LPH Max system, and let's get growing.